Hey everyone, Tech Commenter here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix weak mobile signal on your phone. Whether you have an iPhone, Android phone, you can apply these methods. So let's get started. Very first thing is pulling on the top here. You're going to put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off. And what that does is a quick network refresh. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is kind of location. So if you're in a specific location, the network might not be coming through there. Just move over to somewhere better if you can. And along with that, if you have a case or something that's new, it could be blocking the antenna on your phone. So you want to go ahead and take that off and see if that makes a difference. Now, if it still doesn't make this differences, if your phone has a SIM card, you want to go ahead and take the SIM card out and put it back in. So here, this phone has a SIM card down here. Take a SIM ejector tool. All you're doing is simply taking out the SIM, like this one I have here, and then you're going to insert it back in. And that will just go ahead and reinitialize the sync, making sure you have good, strong connection. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you're going to do is check for an update here. Sometimes you might be able to see an update coming through. So in your settings, you're going to go to software update and check for a new update. And if there is a new update, go ahead and install the update. My phone is up to date, so I don't have to do it, but something to consider doing as well. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you're going to do is go back here. In your settings here, you're going to go to basically back into down here. Let's go ahead and general management. And then we're going to reset. And then we need to do a mobile network or reset. So you're going to tap on that and then reset the mobile network settings. So that's, as you can see here, we'll do that and reset the network settings. A really important step to do. And if you're still having an issue, the next thing to do is just simply restarting your phone. So this phone, I can do it from the top here within that power icon, or you can use the volume down and this side button at the same time. Depending on the phone that you have, you're going to do it accordingly. So I can do it this way as well. And once you restart, you should see an improvement in, again, the mobile signal. So go ahead and apply those methods. And the last thing you want to do is, if you are going through all this stuff that I mentioned and it doesn't work, is just contact the carrier or the company, get the phone service, let them know. They might be able to sometime reset or resync your device so that the signals are strong again. And I hope this video is helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.